Hello everyone. Today we'll learn how to set up a Google Cloud Platform or GCP server in xCloud. Are you ready? Let's begin the tutorial. Put your credentials and log into your xCloud dashboard. Click on the Add New Server button on the top right corner. Choose Google Cloud from the server list. You can connect to a new account or an existing one. To instantly integrate your GCP server in xCloud, you must upload the JSON file. Collect this JSON file from your Google Cloud Console website. So, once you're logged in there, you have to follow 3 essential steps. We will now go through each of them. Step 1. Get the JSON file. Select the project from top where you want to create your GCP server. In this example, we are using the project named as xCloud. Then, navigate to IAM and admin and click on it. Go to Service Accounts and select the option to create a service account. Fill up all the information like the service account's name. Click on Create and Continue to move forward to grant this service account access. Next, assign the owner user role to the service account. To complete the process of creating the service account, click Done. Look for this newly created service account from the list. Here, you can see that currently it has no key ID. Click on the account. Now, go to the Keys tab and select the Add Key drop-down and click on Create New Key. Select JSON as your key type and click on Create. Your JSON key will be automatically generated and saved on your computer. Step 2. Enable the Google Compute Engine API. We'll now search for Compute Engine API from the search bar at the top of Google Cloud Console. Once you find it in the search results, click on it. Then, click on the Enable button to enable the API. Moving to the last step now. Step 3. Create a VPC network. Navigate to VPC networks from the left sidebar. If your project doesn't show any default VPC network, click on Create VPC network. A form will pop up. Fill it out with all the details. Don't forget to set the subnet creation mode to automatic. Once the VPC network is created, you can select any firewall rules that you'd like to add to this network from the firewall rules page. Next, set the dynamic routing mode to regional and click on the Create button. We are now all set to connect GCP server with xCloud. Let's get back to the xCloud dashboard. Click on Upload JSON to upload the previously created JSON file key. Then, click on Verify and the file will be authorized. Time to fill up other essential fields. Set the preferred region where you want to set up the server. Select a zone within that region. Set the required server sizes for the server. Enter a server name and other details. Put a tick mark on the checkbox for the billing permission and click on Next. Wait for a few moments and let xCloud set up the GCP server. Congratulations! Your GCP server has been successfully set up in xCloud. We hope you have found this tutorial useful. Subscribe to the xCloud channel and stay updated.